first you saw that we had a Kubota robot dancing for us in the workshop. Here you see the recording with a 48 channel ring array. On the top we have our channel data window. You see 48 microphone channel. This is connected to our spectrogram. You see it's automatically updating the part I mark or zoom into will automatically be connected to the spectrogram. The same way I have marked the time frequency area of interest, and it's automatically feeding our acoustic photo. So if I mark a certain interval of interest, it will automatically update the acoustic photo. Any part of interest, any time or frequency, you simply mark in the spectrogram, and the acoustic photo will automatically update. Yeah. Very simple, very easy, very quickly. If you're interested in the entire performance and what sources occurred at what time during the performance, you can create an acoustic movie. In this case, we have a marked interval for each frame of 33 milliseconds, which is in this case replayed with 5 frames per second, which I can easily, with the wheel button of my mouse, increase anytime how fast I want it. In this case, so I have 18 frames, so this is quite fast enough to look at it. Or I slow it down again, see every frame step by step. I can also stop it and increase the frame rate to say 133 milliseconds with an overlap of 4 and replay the same thing. This will give you a more smooth understanding of what the robot is doing, and replay the same thing as fast as you want, how often you want.